Welcome to Orderline. Today we're going to learn about a very special feature called custom statuses or custom stages. Custom statuses in Orderline let Shopify merchants map made-to-order production workflows into named stages, then move orders and line items through those stages as work progresses. If you sell made-to-order products like furniture, jewelry, or apparel, each product typically moves through multiple production stages before it ships. With Orderline, you can create those exact stages inside Shopify, so your live orders stay organized by where they are in production. With custom statuses, your team always knows what to work on next. You can see which orders sit in which stage, and you reduce costly mistakes such as missing a customer personalization or shipping late. Let me show you exactly how to set up and use custom statuses in Orderline. From the Orders screen, open Statuses in the left sidebar. Orderline shows two tabs: Order Statuses for your live Shopify orders and Draft Statuses for quotes and invoices. By default, Orderline includes New Order, In Progress, and Ready. You can rename, reorder, or replace this list completely. Use Add category to group related production steps, for example, post-processing. Then add statuses inside that category, such as dyeing, dry cleaning, and drying. Assign a color to each status for quick visual recognition. Drag and drop to reorder statuses, or nest them under a category. Categories become drop-down menus on the Orders screen, which keeps long production workflows easy to scan. Go back to the Orders screen and your custom statuses appear as tabs at the top, complete with live order counts. Select any tab or a drop-down item under a category to filter the list to that production stage. Statuses also work at the line item level. Different items on the same order can sit in completely different stages. Use the Move to drop-down on any line item to move it to cutting, stitching, ironing, or a nested stage like dyeing. That is how to set up and use custom production statuses in Orderline. Map your real workflow, keep the team aligned, and track every order by stage. If you build made-to-order products, try Orderline from the link in the description. And tell me in the comments what your production workflow looks like. I would love to hear it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.